How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Super Meat Boy. So we just finished the forest, so we're going off to chapter 2, which is the hospital. I hate this world, by the way. I never actually finished, like, the 4th level of it, I think. So we will, do our best on it. I hope. Okay. Well, not too bad. Oh! Oh, man. Okay. We gotta time that. We gotta time that correctly. Was there a little... Looked like there was a little platform. Yes, okay, there is. Boom! Boom. Done. Done. Look at that. What? Oh. You gotta... How was I supposed to know? I don't remember this. Ah, man. Okay. Don't worry about it. I'm trying to land on that platform. I don't think that's a good idea, to be honest. Because I don't know where that's gonna fit in. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Was good to land on the platform. Not a big deal. So now we cannot jump here. So we have to, like, time this perfectly. Oh, we can. We just have to jump. Aha! That was really good. That was quite good. We just have to tap. Just gotta tap it. Gotta tap. Now, it's hard to tap. Well, not really. If you're holding X, it is. But if you're not holding X, then it's like, meh. So, we gotta tap our way through this part. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Ah! Yeah! Okay, yeah, he steals her again. That's just what he loves doing. Okay, yes, I remember. I got to here. This was the part that I did not like. I don't remember why. I don't remember it being hard at all, actually. I just don't like this part. So. Yeah, okay, this is gonna be annoying. Oh, yeah, see, it's not hard. It's just I didn't like it, and I don't know why. But, wait, no, I think this was the... Yeah, this is... You know what? I just remember not liking any of this. Like, any of the hospital chapter. Because it was just so... annoying, really. Like... What? Oh yeah, I forgot. The fans can kill you. Shit, bro! And I'm dead. No, there's no point. There's a platform there. I don't know what it is. Probably a secret, but I don't really care for secrets. Dude. Now, I probably will do another playthrough of this after I beat it, but, and do all of the secrets, like get all the bandages, get all the Dark Worlds, warps, and stuff. How the fuck, sorry for swearing, how the hell am I supposed to get that? Like, hang on. I forgot how I did it. What? Oh, I didn't, okay, yeah, I remember. No, I don't. I don't remember how I did this. Yeah, okay. I know what that platform is there for now. It's so you can, Oh, she's up there! Oh! Well then, I can just do this then. With my, massive skill. Okay. There we go. Haha! Haha. Okay, I got a bandage. I didn't really want that. I don't know how to do this, dude. Yeah, I do not know, fuck. Okay, yeah, there we go. We'll just do that from now on. What? I didn't move. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is why I hate the hospital chapter. Because it is annoying. Sorry if I'm getting away from the mic. I'm sitting in a chair and using a controller for this game. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. What? Oh, duh, ha! Don't worry about it. I got this. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Boom. Did it. Okay. Okay, this is my best bet right here. So just jump. Go down here. Oh, that was a stupid idea. Ah! Cool. I went through the one thing that is impossible to go through. There we go. It's not too hard. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. That's not too hard. I had like what? Yeah, I had it once. It's not a big deal. And that was my own stupidity. Let's be real here. Don't even worry about it. Wow, I am really bad at this game. This episode, like this, chapter might have to be a two-parter, to be honest. Because this chapter does not like me. We'll wait for him to go up, and then we'll jump. Ah, yeah. Oh, hello there. No! Oh, thank goodness. Yeah, I didn't know I could just do this. Oh. There we go. I died once, twice. Yeah, I died twice. Not a big deal. Oh, fun. Okay. So wait for this little jelly dude to go down. Let's go down myself. Hello there, jelly man. There's a lot of jelly dudes. What's with this game and jelly men? I'm dead, by the way. I'm dead again. Wow, this is great. Okay, wait for Jelly Man to go. Thank you, Jelly Man. They're not hostile. They're just trying to get to work, but they don't realize that they're going through a never-ending loop on the same blocks. Wait. Oh. Uh-huh. I know what I need to do there. Hello, Jelly Man. Thank you, Jelly Man. Jelly Man, I trusted you, man. Okay, yeah, this chapter is definitely gonna have to be a two-parter because I'm really bad at this chapter. Oh, I'm just really bad at this freaking game, to be honest. Let's be real here. Can I? No, I can't. I'll die. Oh, Jelly Man. Jelly Man. I didn't even touch him and he still killed me. I tried to like get under, but that didn't work. Never works trying to get under. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, come on, Jellyman. Please don't Ah, that was my own stupidity. Why? These jellymen, like, I'm scared of them. I just never know when I'm gonna die by jellymen. That was dumb. Let's be real here. Jellymen, come on! Just let me through. Why are you... What is the purpose of you being here? Oh my god. How is this a hospital? I failed to see how this is a hospital. I failed to see that. That was really stupid of me to doubt the hospitalness of this level. I'm sorry, Jellymen. Just let me through. Why do Jellymen own this hospital? Like, why not spiders? I guess Jellymen are cooler. Okay, we're gonna have to do this. Jellymen. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, she's right there. If I screw up now... Okay, I'll see you guys in the next episode. My controller fell on the... Fuck!